Businesses of all sizes are capitalizing on the financial opportunities of installing solar, proving that a commercial solar energy system is a key strategic decision that virtually guarantees a solid financial return for your business while making use of underutilized space. Commercial solar power is an economic, realistic, and dynamic way to reduce energy costs and your organization's environmental footprint. With Canada's cold and short day, low sun hour winters, it is a common misconception that there is not enough production to offset a building's consumption. The annual production is reduced only by 3 to 5%. In regard to the short days throughout the Canadian winters, there's a billing mechanism called net metering. This is offered through utility providers. And what net metering allows you to do is to utilize the excess production throughout the long sun hour days of spring, summer, and fall, throughout the short days in the winter months. There are two main types of solar installations for commercial applications. The first is roof mount. We typically mount the panels directly onto the roof. Another option for utilizing roof mounts is to use an elevated racking system. The second option is ground mount. A good reason to use a ground mount system is if your roof is not feasible for solar. Maybe you have a lot of underutilized land. And more commonly lately is also carport protective coverings and shades. There's multiple reasons to install solar on a commercial building. The first reason being that reducing an organization's environmental footprint is a positive and profitable decision. It is also becoming of more importance in regard to public image. The second reason being that solar offers a significant return on investment. For commercial solar, we are commonly seeing returns above 10% annually. And the third reason is being due to the fact that installing solar is a very environmentally friendly decision. It's a great feeling to show up to work and know that all the electricity being provided on your building is clean energy and free of charge. The process starts with permitting. First of all, we would need to get a building permit, which takes typically 1 to 2 weeks. And then we also need an electrical permit, which commonly takes anywhere from 2 to 3 months. After permitting, we move directly into the install. And for a commercial building, that typically takes around 1 to 2 months. We solely install the highest quality solar equipment. We deal with reputable Tier 1 manufacturers that stand by their product with lengthy warranties. The inverter systems we install always offer optimization. This allows each solar panel to achieve its full potential. This is one way we tend to stand out. We are able to install solar systems that can fully offset a commercial building's consumption. There are limitations, but commonly we are able to use a portion of the roof space that is accessible to offset all a commercial building's needs. Common life cycle for solar panels is 35 plus years. Warranties are commonly around 20 plus years, and there is enough solar installed now from decades ago that the panels back then are still producing. At Pioneer Solar and Renewables, we always strive to provide the highest quality product and service to our customers. This is a main focus for us at Pioneer. We also very much enjoy building lasting relationships with our customers. We look forward to doing business with you.